For this episode, we will be talking about current treatment options for hair loss.
Because using the next options consistently show good results not only in clinical trials, but also in the office setting.
We will teach you how to choose the effective ones, the sustainable ones, and of course, the safest treatments.
Hello everyone and welcome to Hair Transplant PH.
I'm Dr. Jean Marie Marquez, a board-certified medical and procedural dermatologist.
And I'm Dr. Teresa Marie Cacas, also a board-certified dermatologist and hair transplant specialist.
So in this channel, we share with you facts on hair loss and its medical and surgical management.
So if you have great interest in this topic, please click and like the subscribe button below.
For this episode, we will be talking about current treatment options for hair loss. There's a lot of choices out there and it can be quite confusing. So in this episode, we will teach you how to choose the effective ones, the sustainable ones, and of course, the safest treatments.
Let us run you through what we think is good, better, and best based on evidence and our experience.
So let us start discussing about the good options. We have herbal medications and natural remedies. So why are a lot of people choosing these herbal medications? It is because it has the least side effects. Herbal medications show promising results in hair loss, but there is still a need to do a bigger studies with a bigger population to prove their beneficial effects. What are these common herbal medications that we usually see in the market? So we have the saw palmetto, green tea extracts, pumpkin seed oils, and rosemary oils. And of course, we also have our minerals like biotin, zinc, vitamin D, and magnesium.
Let's move on to the better options for hair loss. The following procedures have also shown improvement in hair loss in a number of studies. They work by creating an ideal environment for hair stem cells to grow and differentiate. Though they might work for some, there's also a group of patients that show no improvement. The difference in results are mostly attributed to non-standardized methods of collection, preparation, and execution of techniques. So like your herbal medications, more studies are required here with a bigger population size to really prove their beneficial effects. Included here are your platelet-rich plasma, platelet-rich fibrin, autologous micrograft technology, your exosomes, and your scalp microneedling.
So Dr. Therese, what do you think is the best option for hair loss?
So I think the following options that we'll mention is the cornerstone or the gold standard or the OG in the management of hair loss. Because using the next options consistently show good results not only in clinical trials but also in the office setting. Whether our patients use it individually or better yet altogether, most of them show an improvement in hair density, diameter, and growth, and they also experience less shedding.
So what are these OGs? So let's start with minoxidil. Minoxidil is a vasodilator which promotes increased blood flow in the hair follicle, thus promoting hair growth.
Also included in our list is our DHT blockers, which is your finasteride and dutasteride.
And of course, we have the low-level laser therapy which biostimulates the hair to increase in hair growth and thickening.
Last and not the least is hair transplantation. This procedure, without a doubt, with good patient selection and proper technique, will definitely improve hair growth, thickness, and density in the bald areas of your scalp.
So these medical options that we mentioned are readily available in the market. It is very sustainable and it can be done at home with minimal supervision. But of course, you need a medical prescription from your dermatologist before buying these options.
Yes, and couple this with a good healthy diet, good sleep, proper exercise 3 times a week, and your hair is good to go.
So I'm sure this video has given you information overload. Don't worry, we will be discussing each options and how it relates with hair transplantation in the succeeding episodes.
It's good to know that the future seems bright for managing our hair loss problems. So don't worry, as we will be with you in this hair loss journey. Watch out for our next episode as we talk more about hair. See you!